Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're at the Cryptopolitan, your one-stop shop for all news when it comes to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Um, I want to do a special episode today because things have been a little rough the past week. The market has taken a dump. It looks like we're heading down. Going to retest some lows. Uh, so I wanted to do kind of an upbeat episode. So I'm going to focus on adoption and what's been going on just recently in the past, you know, year or so. Um, and these are all recent stories. So let's head over to the Cryptopolitan, where we have all your news and easy to find sections, whether it's adoption news, regulation, tech, any of that stuff. First off, cryptocurrency ATMs have surpassed 6,000 different, ATMs. Um, uh, a buddy, content creator of mine, Jay Chains, he's in Austin, which is just down the road, and he said that he saw one there. So they're real. I really want to go to this bar where he saw it at just so I could see it and use it. Um, but they're everywhere, and this is really fueling adoption. But moreover, I think that it is lending credibility. People see it. Um, they see an ATM. So the next time one of their friends tells, "Oh, that Bitcoin's a scam," they're less apt to believe that because there's an ATM. Um, nextcrypto.com. I've talked about them. I have their debit card. The This is real adoption. Um, the Crypto.com wallet. I mean, it's a great wallet. You can trade within it. You can keep, your crypto in it. You can trade it back and forth. But the Crypto.com credit card or debit card, it's amazing. You get 3% back. You earn crypto just from having it sit in your wallet. You can lock it up for different time periods and make more interest, but you don't even have to lock it up. But the main thing about this, like I said, it's real world adoption. They have over 1 million users, and they have just been approved in Europe and started in Europe. So that is just within the United States and other people that are downloading the app. But this is 1 million already that are using it, and it's just going to get bigger. Um, so that's amazing. Project Libra, yes, it's terrible, but it's going to bring a lot of awareness and a lot of people using crypto. And you know how it is. Once you put your toe in the water, you jump right in. You learn what cryptocurrencies are. You learn how banks work. You learn how money works. Um, and Project Libre Testnet registers over 51,000 transactions. It's a little frustrating when you're looking at, Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and everything taking years. And, Libra just jumps in and they're at 51,000 transactions. Anyway, but it's still adoption, man, and it's still fueling adoption and education. Gaming meets blockchain. Ubisoft has become the first EOS-based corporate block producer. This is a huge deal. Ubisoft is one of the biggest game designers in the world. They're based out of France. Um, Assassin's Creed, Far Cry. Uh, I know there's other ones, but those are the only ones that are coming to mind now. And those are the ones that are on there. Um, but it's huge that they're moving into to blockchain. I mean, this is just editorializing and speculating, but I'm sure they're going to be using this for in-game currency. I'm almost positive that's going to happen. Swedish government is outlining 6 attempts to launch a digital currency. I've said before in my stories that there's going to be a big Western country that's going to go digital. The United States has been talking about it. The Fed has been working on it, but I said that I think Sweden or Canada is going to be one of the first ones. I stand by that. I think it's going to be Sweden or Canada. Yahoo Finance, one of the biggest finance information and news networks, period, on the internet, has joined forces with CoinMarketCap to offer cryptocurrency news. That's the merging of traditional finance, traditional markets, traditional um, news merging with the fringe of cryptocurrency news. This is a really, really big thing for adoption and acceptance. And once again, loaning itself, just like the ATMs, to credibility and stability. It's not just weird internet money. They're talking about it on Yahoo Finance. Like I said, the U.S. has been asking the Fed, and they have been making some very big strides. Once again, because of Libra, because of China, because of their digital currency, everything's moving really, really fast. But the U.S. is looking at it. That's just pushing further adoption and pushing the acceptance of digital currencies and cryptocurrencies. It's good news, man. The UK has classified cryptocurrencies as property under English law. Once again, it's not something that no one, understands what it is or knows what it is. It is legal property that's protected as your property. That's a big step forward. All these things are moving in the past, year. Things are really starting to move fast. It's definite, with regulation, with legalities, but it's a very big step forward. Presidential candidate. Now, this is another thing. This is, out there in the 2020 election. President digital candidate Andrew Yang, he wants a standard framework for cryptocurrencies. The fact that this is being brought up is a huge deal. It's a real issue that they're talking about for the presidential debates. It's amazing. 2016, people didn't even know what Bitcoin was, and now it's on the stage. Airline tickets. A airline company in Germany is going to be the first one to sell its tickets on the blockchain. This goes hand in hand with the last story. Bitcoin adoption in these industries will boost in 2020. Travel, huge. There's a few blockchain travel companies which are all being very successful compared to other projects in 2017, and 2018, and 2019. Bitcoin adoption in the technology sector, of course, food industry, everything from paying for it to supply chain and everything else. It's blowing up. Sports sector, there's different soccer teams, football teams, NBA. It's been very, very big in automotive sector. And this isn't even talking about gambling, which is one of the biggest ones for cryptocurrency. But, if you just take a step back and look at what we're really trying to do, what, not just the technology, but moving, banking the unbanked, cross-border, privacy, all the things that is so important for cryptocurrency that adoption is bringing. I know the price has been, taking a beating this week, but if you look at where we are opposed to where we were, it's really cool. It's kind of mind blowing. That's about it for today. I'm Satoshi Sean. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.